In this video, I will show you how I got 8.2 million views on my channel subscriber, and here you can see my daily view is 50,000 plus, and here my views increase in just one day. I got 2 million plus views and half million 1.5 million views on my channel. So let's see last 7 days. In last 7 days I got 6.6 million views and subscriber, and just ignore watch time. So I will show you what is the I got 500 plus, and here 2 million 1.5 million views, and here you can see last 20 days 2.6 million views on my channel. So that's so easy to get views on my on your channel. So here you can see people like this. You can upload short video. I just upload short video like this. You can upload short videos on your channel. Here you can see 138k likes, 53 likes. If this video have good likes on video, that means this video got millions of views on their channel. They also got subscribers. So just upload like these videos. You can also get subscriber and views. So you can upload like these videos. Here you can see I show you demo how people making short videos and uploading, and they getting views and thousand of subscriber. Here you can see my another video. I just upload this video 4-5 days ago. Here you can see my in just 5 days I got 2.6 million views on this video. Daily my video going up. So after 1-2 months maybe I got 5-10 million views on this video. This just one video gave me 2.5 2.2 subscriber. And here you can see in just one day, after 1 hour, I got 200k plus views on this video. So this video is just 50-second video, a short video. So you don't need any thumbnail and any type of SEO to do. You just need to upload, and automatically YouTube system will pick your video. Here you can see here you can see in this video 3.8 million views on this video. Daily my view is increasing. After maybe 2-3 months I got 10 million plus view on this video. Here you can see today I upload this video. In just 1 hour I got 5.5k views on this video. So you're thinking where is monetization tab? So because I got million of views, but I don't get any watch time. The reason is because this is I got views on short videos, and YouTube not counting short videos watch time. So you're thinking where is monetization team? Here is my monetization section. Here you see I got almost 50,000 subscriber, and watch time is nothing because YouTube is not counting. Here you can see I have watch time 50k plus, but YouTube not showing. Reason is because this is a short video, and here you can see video play from the short and short stories and short videos, and ad campaign is not eligible for partner program. So that's not a problem. If I got that much subscriber, if I upload a normal video, that then I will definitely get 1,000 of views, and I will easily complete my watch time. So that's not a big problem. So I am getting 1,000 of subscriber. After 1-2 months I will get 1 2 3 4 5 lakhs subscriber on my channel. You can upload videos like this, and you can get 1,000 of subscriber. Just upload a short videos. You can make common video, and you can take a local videos. Never take videos from YouTube, because video is already popular and no one will. So here you can see I am just posting on community tab, and people gave me voting 10 plus. I have active audience on my channel. So they are following me, so you can get active audience on your channel also. That's so easy to get million of views. So just start uh, uploading short videos on your channel like this, and you can also get thousand of subscriber. So if you have any question, leave it in comment section, so I will reply you. So here you can see people just making 10 to 30 minute 30-second short video, and they getting thousand of views, million of views and subscribers. So thanks for watching. Goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.